Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT Note 9 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So first we should launch the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this first application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app, click yes, agree, tap to close, select OK in the left down corner, and now we can see here the information about our device battery health. In my case, that's good. Also, we can find here more information like the battery level, capacity, device voltage, Android version, device model, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.